Alright, the first one I erased the y and the z so it would be less confusing. And then you just have x4 and 9. So you can see that you have two things on the pink small one and two things labeled on the big green one. And I kind of matched it up with colors there. Instead of doing the whole problem for you, you can see that the two pink numbers will go in small short leg, small hypotenuse. Again, small short leg, small hypotenuse. I said that backwards. Small short leg, small hypotenuse. And with the green one, short leg, hypotenuse. Then you figure it out from there. On the next problem, again I erased the y and z so it would be less confusing, and I did a little bit more work on this one for you. The pink small one has a short leg of x and a hypotenuse of 6, and the big green one has a short leg of 6 and a hypotenuse of already labeled 10. So this particular one will not have an x squared. You'll only have an x squared when you have opposite x's in two different corners. Okay. So this one would just be x over 6, 6 over 10. The third one, or the next one, it's going to be the medium and the small. And I already have that drawn for you. It's the top 4 blocks there. Again, it's not going to be an x squared. It just so happens that the 5's are across from each other and not the x's. And this last problem, you see that it's the small, the aqua blue one is short leg of 3 and hypotenuse of 9, and the big pink one is short leg of 9 but a hypotenuse of x plus 3, not x times 3, x plus 3, which looks like that. Be careful when you set this up. It's going to be distributed when you multiply this way, 3x plus 9 and 81.